Walked up Front Street, right there in the middle of the picture. Let's zoom in. And then we came down, and we walked up another street, and then came back down to Front Street. And you can see the Ketchikan sign that goes across the road there. We went up there. Came out there, kind of walked through there. There's the Great Alaska Lumberjack Show over there. There's the Salmon Landing Mall. Now let's swing this back. So straight up there is Creek Street. Although if you want to go to one end or the other, I suggest starting down there. That green building is Dolly's, an old house of ill repute. It's now a museum. You can see the boardwalk going by it. So the blue building, that's on Creek Street also, right? So it goes down along there, and it sort of ends right about there. And that's the Cape Fox Lodge. Now you can go up Creek Street to, there's a trail. It's mostly stairs and boardwalk. But up through there and go around. There's a salmon ladder right in the middle there of the picture. You can't see it, but it's Ketchikan Creek. And then on the other side of Cape Fox Lodge is the city park, where there's a salmon hatchery and a totem museum. So, but as you can see, it's really a small area, especially for shopping. It's really just that. There are some museums